Definition of secretary. According to the opinion of Ignatius Warsanto, the definition of secretary can be viewed from several aspects. In terms of word origins, the term secretary comes from the word secretarium in Latin, which means secret. The word secretarium that changed to secretary in French, secretary in English, and finally become the word secretaries in Dutch. So it can be concluded that according to the origin of the word, a secretary is a person, employee, or worker who is given duties and work related to confidential matters of the state or company. Thus, the secretary must be an employee or worker who can hold secrets in explaining his daily work duties and acts as a helper to the leader,
which is often called a personal secretary, director secretary, and board of directors secretary in Indonesia is often called secretary. For example, director secretary, manager secretary, marketing manager secretary, and so on. These secretaries are often referred to as office secretaries, administrative personnel, office employees, or administrative employees. Here it will usually be headed by a secretary who is often referred to as an executive secretary, head of the general secretariat, head of the general department, head of the administrative department, head of the general administration, or head of the office.
First, secretary as secretarial executive. The secretary has three possible roles, namely 1. Only recognize one or several kind of tasks, for example as a letter typist, recording incoming letter, and outgoing letter or filling letters. 2. Regarding most or all secretarial duties, the scope of duties here is usually only for a superior and is often done alone, such as the secretary to the director. 3. As the person in charge of the secretariat, whereas the secretary has or oversees a number of secretarial staff, the scope of his duties is to support the smooth work of an organization.
Secretary as a secret holder. Before acting as a secret holder, the secretary is required to be able to prepare all secrets related to his position. For example, the task he carries out is to handle letters for the leadership.
Secretary as a manager of others. From his role as a secretariat executor, it can be seen that the secretary can have subordinates. So here the secretary will have an obligation to manage his subordinates in carrying out the secretary duties to support the smooth running of work and tasks in the organization. Secretary as a time manager. Given his other roles, of course the secretary is required to be able to manage his time well.
Minimum requirements to become a secretary. According to the opinion of Susatyo Herlambang and Bambang Herumarwato, there are several basic requirements that must be met, namely 1. At least a high school graduate or equivalent. 2. Basic requirements: a secretary has a formal education with a secretarial education. 3. Has the work skills of a secretary. 4. Skill in typing, correspondence, making reports, preparing and conducting meetings, operating office machines, etc. 5. Have general knowledge of a secretary.
6. A secretary in carrying out his work basically equip himself with general knowledge about organization, company management, and others. 7. Mastering several languages, Indonesian, English, or other foreign language, both orally and in writing well and correctly. 8. Have a good personality as a secretary. 9. A secretary will deal with many people, so the secretary must have good mastery of personality in dealing with other people.